So today we are using Huda Beauty's Glow Wish Multi-Dew Skin Tint. I have the shade Light 03. Looks kind of dark. I think the colors, I thought I got the lightest color. Bring it down my neck. It does have a nice luminosity to it. It's just the color's off. All right. It looks nice on the skin. It's just I don't think it's a good color match for me. All right, now I have the Milani liquid contour and highlighter. It's supposed to be just like Charlotte Tilbury. It's not a first impressions. I tried it. Number one, you can't turn this thing off. So blends out good. This is a good color for me. It is good. Do I say it's an exact dupe? No. Charlotte Tilbury's blends out a lot easier. Then let's put on some blush. little bit too much blush. Alright, let's try this highlighter. It does give you this lit from within glow, which is nice. Which color did I get? I got color 1, Lunar. They were $10 a piece. I would say if you didn't want to spend the money on Charlotte Tilbury, I would say they're worth it. It's not the same exact thing as Charlotte Tilbury, but I would say they're worth it. I'm gonna use BH Cosmetics. This is called the Nude Ego Power Play. It's a 24 color eyeshadow palette. It retails for about $20. And it looks like this. It's a nice nude palette. I'm going to take my What's Up Beauty number R104, which is a crease blush. I'm going to go into R Natural. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into Inside Out, which is right here, and I'll put that in my crease. Then I'm going to go into Soul, which is this pinky brown right here, and put that in my outer V. Then I'm going to go into this shimmer right here called Strength and put that all over the lid. Not bad. The next 3 months I'm going to be using CoverGirl Lash Splash Volume. For lips, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Rose Ultimate. Looks like this. That's it. That's my look. I like these eyeshadows. I always like BH Cosmetics. Let me know if you want to see 3 looks, 1 palette. If you want me to do that type of series like most people do. Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. hit the notification bell, hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. Bye.